Hi dears, today I'm sharing with you some easy and varied ideas to decorate your notebooks and notes. And to do them, I'll use these 4 highlighters along with a red pen. First, I'll show you how to make a border with hearts and banners which can be used to decorate the edge of your notebook or to divide a text. In the next idea, I'll show you a simple and quick, yet colorful way to frame a note. The third and fourth ideas are a perfect example of decoration to highlight short titles in your notes or journal. Now, let's see another example of a border or divider with drawings of little houses. The next idea is a pink house-shaped box with a red roof. Next, I'll show you a very cute way to decorate your notes with a couple of bows and some red hearts. We'll finish off the page with a drawing of a border or divider of stars and twigs. Now I'll apply the ideas to create a super easy weekly organizer that's perfect for planning a schedule or journals. I hope you liked the ideas. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. See you later.